Today I'm going to discuss sendInitData. We have already discussed show header and enable back button in my previous video. If you have any confusion related to show header or enable back button, then you can watch my previous video. Today I'm going to discuss sendInitData. Most of the developers don't understand the concept behind the sendInitData. They just do copy paste and every time they are sending sendInitData is equal to true. But it is not always required to send the true. When we initialize our plugin, we send ready method to the Oracle Field Service core application. We receive init method from Oracle Field Service core application. We send back init in to core application, core field service application. This is the flow one. When technician hit the plugin button, then again we send the ready method and we receive open method from Oracle Field Service core application. So all the plugins work in these two flow. First flow 1, init and init. Second flow 2, ready and open. Let me show you on the application. So this is my plugin. Let me refresh it. Here you can see I have sent ready method and I have received init method. Then I send init end method. This plugin is already opened, so again it is sending ready method and then we are receiving open method. So the plugin works in two flow: the init, ready init and ready and open. When technician will open the plugin, it will call the flow 2. If we are not using any metadata on plugin UI, if we are not using any metadata in plugin UI, then we don't need flow 1. In that scenario, we will send initData is equal to false. If we'll send initData as a false, then flow 1 will not be invoked, only flow 2 will be invoked. If you don't require metadata to render your UI, or if you are not using metadata in your plugin, in my previous video I have explained how to use metadata in plugin. You can make sendInitData is equal to false, it will invoke only flow 2. Unnecessary, don't send or get the data if you are not using it. So you have to decide according to your design that you want metadata or you don't want metadata. If you don't want metadata, then make sendInitData is equal to false. Flow 1 will not be executed, will not be invoked, only flow 2 will be invoked. I hope now you are clear about sendInitData. Thanks.